Hey guys, just got to Orlando. I get a lot of questions about traveling, and I know a lot of you guys are having you got vacations coming up, and how do you do that responsibly? I thought that I would do a couple videos and just like my intention and trying to keep myself healthy. So here's what's happened so far today is I went to the clinic, adjusted for a couple hours, had a couple meetings, went back home, hugged the kids, started sucking down water just as soon as possible, because airplanes, they just drain the water right out of you. And so make sure that you drink a bottle of water before, and I just chugged a bottle of water after. And so I should be good and hydrated. The next thing is just taking my supplements and making sure I'm good to go. So taking vitamin D, I've taken my vitamin C today, my multivitamin, my fish oil. I did a couple other things, some B vitamins. I've been experimenting with a couple of things. One of them is called Vioxx, or not Vioxx, it's called Virox, and so it's to kill viruses. There's another thing that I've been doing to take on a consistent basis called ATAC, and man, I just feel really good right now. And so there's something we're going to start having in the clinic and blessing you guys with in the clinic. Now to my rental car, and then immediately, no other stops, I'm going to Whole Foods, or there's another store here, it's called Sprouts or something like that. And so I'm going to the nearest health food store, and then I'm going to go get my food, and I'm going to go back to the hotel, and I'm going to see what I got. I'm going to go eat. When we're eating on the road, we just try to stay away from the bread, meat only stuff. You know, it's a, hey, you're not on vacation, but you're in a vacation spot. Unfortunately, we're in Florida. And so we'll eat something that's not going to be necessarily healthy for us. But today I'm going to take care of my body, because I want to make sure that I have a good seminar, get information for you. I can't be getting sick in a hotel room and bring stuff back for you guys to learn about nutrition or whatever it is. So I just want to share with you guys. And so that's the next stop. When I get to Earth Fair, wherever I'm going, or Whole Foods, I'll pick the video back up.